If your Epic Games account says inactive, dormant, or may not log in, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to recover an inactive Epic Games account step by step, using the official recovery options that Epic provides. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming support guides. First, let's try the simplest fix, which is a manual password reset. Open your browser and go to the Epic Games login page. On the sign-in screen, look for the Forgot Your Password link below the Login button and click it. Now enter the email address that is connected to your Epic Games account. After that, click Send Email. Epic will send a password reset message to your inbox. Open your email, look for the message from Epic Games, and click the reset link inside. Follow the instructions to create a new password. In many cases, this is all you need. If the account was only inactive because you hadn't logged in for a while, resetting the password can bring it back to normal. If that works, go ahead and sign in again with your new password. Once you're back in, take a moment to make sure your account details are correct. Check your email address, update your password to something strong, and confirm that you can still access the account recovery email going forward. This is a good time to add extra security too, like two-factor authentication, so your Epic Games account stays protected. Now, if you do not have access to the original email address or the password reset did not work, you need to use Epic's official account recovery tool. To do that, go to the Epic account recovery page. If you are seeing an error message that includes a recovery link, click the Recover Account link provided there. Then follow the prompts carefully. Epic may ask you for information to verify that you are the real owner of the account. This can include details like your old email address, display name, or other account information. The important thing is to answer as accurately as possible. If you are unsure, take your time and provide the most truthful information you can remember. The more accurate your details are, the better your chances of recovering the account. As you go through the recovery process, keep checking the email address you have access to now, because Epic may send follow-up instructions or confirmation messages there. If the first request doesn't solve the issue, don't keep guessing randomly. Instead, use the recovery form again and make sure every detail you submit is as consistent as possible with the account information you originally used. One very important tip is to only use Epic's official login and recovery pages. Avoid third-party sites, unofficial tools, or anyone promising instant account recovery. Those are often unsafe and can put your account at risk. The official Epic Games recovery process is the safest way to restore access. Once you successfully recover the account, log in right away and review your security settings. Change the password if needed, confirm your email, and turn on extra protection so this does not happen again. That way, your account is not only recovered, but also more secure moving forward. So to recap, start with the password reset on the Epic Games login page. If you still cannot get in, use the Epic account recovery page and follow the official prompts. With the right information and a little patience, you can recover an inactive Epic Games account and get back to gaming. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.